Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the security settings on your account on booking.com easy and quickly. So first of all, enter booking.com, then go to your account, and then here we have the security settings, so click on it. Now as you see here, you can add the two-factor authentication, click next and do the steps, and you can active the sessions and sign out. Also, you can delete your account if you want to. So that's it. That's how to manage the security settings on your account on booking.com easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.